Rajasthan's Aravalli ranges nestle an unexplored wilderness, the forests of Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary. Watching over her kingdom is this jungle's elusive top predator, the Indian leopard. Muskan, as locals call her, is among 100 resident leopards in and around Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary. Of late, she's been hunting more frequently. After all, there is a growing cub to be fed. Named Mastani by locals, she will be looked after by her mother until she's about 2 years old, as she learns the many ways of surviving in this land. The sanctuary has a healthy number of prey, but competition is stiff. Some leopards, like this young mother, have moved to its periphery and found easier alternatives to feed themselves. These stealthy cats can thrive on a variety of wild prey, as well as domestic dogs and livestock. As long as food and cover are available, they are adept at living close to humans. In this case, the Raikas. These nomadic herders have been dependent on the forest for centuries.
जंगल में बहुत फायदो छा कि मारा पशुपालन ये अनमें गुजरे तो मारो जीवन अनोर लारे मारा बाल बच्चों ने बीजों ने सब नहीं मोटा में अन बच्चों ने मोटा करो पढ़ाई कराओ सब अन वास्ते में वो जंगल है तो मारी बकरी है गायें भेड़े ऊँट ये रे अगर जंगल में नहीं जाता वो तो मारा बाल बच्चों ने बीजू मारो कोई सारो ही नहीं अन जंगल कोई सारो है सब.
But their relationship with the forest brings along quite a predicament.
सीता तो अबे कोई गणी नहीं गणी जैसा एक हफ्ता में एक दो तो मारे मारे छा नहीं एक महीने तो कदे की पूरो निकले बीजो वो यारो डेंजर वे सा जो वो जेरी घणो वे जो वो एक वारो पकड़े तो वह बकरी फचे मर जावे और सरावारी अटे कोई जगह ही नहीं है.
Till now, Muskan has faced no threats from the Raikas. In fact, the Raikas are amongst one of the few communities that have managed to coexist with leopards. Historically, humans and leopards have shared space, but over the past few decades, an increase in conflict has led to increasing casualties on both sides. Despite their remarkable adaptability, leopards have faced a dramatic decline. Their population in India has plummeted by a shocking 75 to 90% over the past 2 centuries. Almost 3/4 of their global historical habitat range has been lost, driving them to venture into human-dominated landscapes. While Muskan keeps to the fringes, some leopards venture deeper into villages in search of prey, making farmlands a part of their extended habitat. Agitated farmers pressurize wildlife authorities to move the big cats from their neighborhoods. But moving them does not solve the problem, as often another leopard will occupy the vacated territory. Wildlife biologists have observed that translocating leopards can cause injury and immense stress to the animal. This can lead to an increase in unpleasant encounters. In Kumbhalgarh, leopards are believed to be the guardians of all holy shrines in the Aravallis, a cultural status that has kept them safe till now.
ये मेरे माताजी का वरदान है तो मैं इन्हें कुछ नहीं कर सकती उसके भगा देते और वो जानवर मार दिया और न क्या हो वो भी खाए अपने भी बच्चा ने मोटो करो ज्यों भी मैं भी उन्हें मोटो करूं और मैंने मार दे अब क्या करो मैं मार नहीं सकते.
Muskan is oblivious to the fine line that she and other leopards that have made a home outside the sanctuary are treading. What holds them in good stead, though, is the cultural tolerance that the Raikas have afforded them over the years. As twilight falls, Muskan ascends her favorite rock to stalk her next prey.